Hello everyone, and welcome to our special feature on Aviation Maintenance Technicians Day. Today, we celebrate the unsung heroes of the aviation industry, those who work tirelessly behind the scenes to ensure our flights are safe and reliable. Let's dive into the history of this special day, its significance, and how the FAA and NTSB recognize the invaluable contributions of aviation maintenance technicians. Aviation Maintenance Technicians Day is observed on May 24th each year, honoring the legacy of Charles Edward Taylor, the man who built and maintained the first engine used by the Wright brothers in their historic flights. Charles Taylor's dedication and expertise laid the foundation for the aviation maintenance profession as we know it today. Charles Taylor's work was pivotal in the Wright brothers' success, but for many years his contributions went largely unrecognized. It wasn't until 2008 that the U.S. Congress officially designated May 24th as Aviation Maintenance Technicians Day. This day not only commemorates Taylor's achievements, but also acknowledges the ongoing efforts of maintenance technicians around the world. Aviation maintenance technicians are responsible for inspecting, repairing, and maintaining aircraft to ensure they meet the stringent safety standards set by aviation authorities. Their work is critical to the safety and efficiency of air travel, often involving long hours and meticulous attention to detail. The Federal Aviation Administration, or FAA, plays a key role in recognizing the contributions of aviation maintenance technicians. The FAA's safety regulations and certifications are designed to uphold the highest standards in aviation maintenance. Each year, the FAA highlights the importance of this profession through various programs and awards, celebrating the dedication and skill of these technicians. The National Transportation Safety Board, or NTSB, also recognizes the critical role of aviation maintenance technicians. When accidents occur, the NTSB's investigations often highlight the importance of proper maintenance practices. The board's recommendations frequently lead to improvements in maintenance procedures and training, underscoring the ongoing need for vigilance and expertise in this field. Aviation Maintenance Technicians Day is a time for the general public to appreciate the often overlooked efforts of those who keep our skies safe. It's a day to honor the legacy of Charles Taylor and to recognize the ongoing contributions of today's aviation maintenance professionals. So, next time you fly, remember that behind every safe journey are the skilled hands and keen eyes of aviation maintenance technicians. Today, we have the honor of speaking with Tony Gull, a seasoned aviation maintenance technician with over 40 years of experience in the industry. Tony, thank you for joining us. Could you share some insights into your journey and how you've seen the role of maintenance technicians evolve over the years? Thank you for having me. Over the past 4 decades, I've witnessed significant advancements in aviation technology and maintenance practices. The core principles of safety and precision have remained constant, but we've seen a tremendous increase in the complexity of aircraft systems. Maintenance technicians today rely on sophisticated diagnostic tools and technology to perform their tasks. It's a highly specialized field that requires continuous learning and adaptation. That's fascinating. Can you share any particular stories or achievements that highlight the importance of your work? Absolutely. One memorable instance was when our team discovered a critical issue during a routine inspection that could have led to a major failure if left unchecked. Our timely intervention and repair ensured that the aircraft remained safe and operational, potentially saving lives. It's moments like these that underscore the vital role we play in aviation safety. Thank you, Tony, for sharing your experiences and for your unwavering dedication to keeping our skies safe. Your insights are invaluable, and we appreciate all that you and your fellow technicians do. Thank you for joining us in celebrating Aviation Maintenance Technicians Day. Let's take a moment to appreciate these dedicated professionals who work tirelessly to ensure our flights are safe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more insights into the world of aviation. Till next time, safe travels.